Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I received verify data from BPL agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
A little bit, ma'am.
If you don't know how to communicate with the employer, there is no point of coming here, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Are you sure? I don't want later that once you come to work here, suddenly you tell us, Mom, I have auntie here, I have brother or sister. No such a thing, okay?
Okay.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
100% healthy, ma'am.
All right. So, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
tattoos in your skin?
Nothing, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Uh, I don't know, but I want work only.
You want work only. Okay, what is your name?
I'm Abigail Tayo.
Do you have your passport ready?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
37, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Single, but I have a live-in partner, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
November 1, 1988.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2". Wait, ma'am.
Yes.
54.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Roman Catholic. What about your educational background?
High school graduate only, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
Three,
How old are those children?
one 8 years old, one 6 years old, and one year old.
Who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am, and my live-in partner.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
Uh, 28 years old, ma'am, and he is a driver, jeepney driver.
He is 28 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have four brother and three sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
The fourth, ma'am.
The fourth. Okay, according to your before that, is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have any problem later.
No, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia way back 2021 to 2024. You worked there for
Yes,
3
ma'am.
years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
Uh, I'm working in PSA, uh, domestic helper, like take care of the her children and
Okay.
all are made.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Cooking, no, ma'am. Only
Okay.
my mom.
So how many children you take care inside the house?
Two, ma'am.
How
One,
old are
one,
these?
one 5 years old and one 13 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Of course, you finish your contract. Why you didn't continue with this employer?
Uh, I'm when I'm finishing my job, ma'am. Um, I have a lot of things here in Philippines, and before that, I'm pregnant 2 months.
Oh, okay.
Before, yes,
So you've been pregnant in KSA or in the Philippines?
in Philippines,
In
ma'am.
Philippines. Okay. So you know that working as a domestic helper is not new for you, right? Knowing that you already got your working experience in KSA, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? You might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. So you need to get ready yourself, yeah? Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness and houses here is quite big, there is no joke. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
But
cook?
I don't uh, the elder people, ma'am, who sick. I don't know how to, the first
It's okay. It's a yes or
aid.
no only. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Here, ma'am, only the Filipino food.
But you are willing to learn some new recipes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Uh,
Are
yes,
you,
ma'am.
it's a yes or no. Are you afraid of any dogs, cats?
No, ma'am.
It's okay. So, this is a 2 years contract, same like what you did in KSA. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only? After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. But of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay
Okay, ma'am.
only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay. You can come, work properly, but if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, you've been stuck in the Philippines for already 1 year, and you still got 1 year old kid, right? And it's still young. So homesickness will strike us anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna handle it later?
Mm, I know the handle the homesick, ma'am, because my before when I work in KSA, I have a son. It's to 1.5 year old. So I
So you
know.
still can cope up your homesickness later.
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give them a better future, knowing that your children is still young, okay? But I would like to remind you that in Philippines you can do whatever you want. Okay? But here in Malaysia is we need to humble ourselves. Yeah? In Philippines, you can be the boss there, but here no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Abigail. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day. Bye.